Welcome back, guys! We will be cooking one of our favorite seafood, crabs. Our recipe for today is crabs with salted egg sauce. So yummy! Let's start by boiling our blue crabs. Heat the pan with half full of water on it. But not just water. We'll add onion, ginger, star anise, cloves, chili, and potato to make it flavorful. Then add the blue crabs and we'll wait till it turns reddish. Just a quick information about crabs' gender. Look for their so-called apron. When it's wider, it's a female. Male is narrowed. Another is the tip of the claw. Red is for female and blue is for male. Now it started boiling. Crabs turning reddish. And we have to skim off first the waste floating before turning off the heat. Then set aside. Now, we'll be making our sauce. First, by separating the whites and yolks of our homemade salted egg. Then, chop some garlic and chillies. And spare some crab stock. Again, heat the pan, olive oil in, butter in, and let it melt. Once it's melted, toss the garlic, chilies, and onion. Add the stock, season it with salt, black pepper, add some curry powder, chili powder, then mix. Add the yolks, Mix it well. Then, drop off the crabs and cook for a few minutes. And let it cool down. Lastly, we'll make a rice with salted egg whites and mozzarella cheese in a crab shell. So, we'll have to separate the shell from the body. Just like this. In a shell, add the cooked rice, followed by the mozzarella. Then the cooked egg white, and topped again with mozzarella. Then sprinkle some sauce. Then bake for at least 5 to 10 minutes. Then serve all in one plate. Wow! Look at that! Our homemade crabs with salted egg sauce. Cheesiest rice ever with salted egg whites and crab fat. Gotta grab that big bite. So perfect.
Oh no, it's just a brighter day.
Thanks for watching mga kajabagab. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and ring the bell to get notified for our next video. Bye-bye!